Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show you how to make a handmade greeting card. First, let's gather our supplies. You will need a piece of cardstock, ideally around 8.5 by 11 inches, which is a standard letter size. Also, grab some sharp scissors, a good quality glue stick or liquid adhesive, and any decorative elements you wish to use, like stickers, glitter, or stamps. Having everything ready makes the crafting process much smoother and more enjoyable. Now that you have your materials, let's prepare the card base. Take your cardstock and fold it perfectly in half. You can use a ruler or a bone folder to achieve a really sharp crease, which gives your card a polished look. Decide whether you want a horizontal or vertical orientation. Before gluing anything down, lay out your design elements on the front and inside to visualize the final composition. This helps ensure everything fits beautifully. This is where your creativity truly shines. Begin decorating the front of your card. You might use patterned paper, draw a unique design, or layer different textures for visual interest. Remember to leave space for your personal message inside. A handwritten note adds immense value and makes the card truly special. Take your time to choose words that genuinely express your feelings, making the recipient feel cherished. Almost done. Before you consider your card complete, take a moment to check all the details. Make sure every piece is firmly glued down and that there are no stray marks or smudges. If you used any wet glue, allow ample time for it to dry completely to prevent warping or smearing. Once dry, your beautiful handmade greeting card is ready to be given to someone special, bringing a smile to their face.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.